let me give you one more example, and then you guys can have a go in the next video. So find the point of intersection between this line here and this line here. Okay. So given these two lines here, find a point at which they cross. So just quickly sketch where the two lines cross. So hang on. Let's try and draw this line here. Your eyes will zoom into the intercept here. It's at -1. Okay, -1. And it has a gradient of let's say it has a gradient of 1/5, meaning 5 across and 1 up, 5 across, 1 up. Let's extend it the other way. Well, 1 down, 5 across, 1 down, and then 5 across. So draw a straight line. So here, this line here represents our first equation. Okay, and then quickly just roughly sketch this line here. Your eyes should zoom into the intercept here. Is at -6. So it will be here -6, and it has a gradient of 2/3. So that means that the height will be 2 and the across will be 3. So it's going to be like this: 3 across, 2 up, 3 across, 2 up. 3 across, 2 up. So let's join up this line here. It would be like this. Let's extend this line here. So hang on, probably around here somewhere. Let's just say somewhere there. Okay. Then we basically want to know the point at which the two lines cross. So somewhere here. Okay, but we don't know exactly where. We could probably guess that the x value will be 11. We could probably guess, but we don't know for sure. It might be 11. And the y value we can guess. Hang on, the y value. Hang on. So here, this is 1 here. Okay, the y value we can guess. So if this line here is 1, then we can guess it's going to be 1 point, maybe 2. We could guess, but we don't know precisely exactly where that line is. So let's use algebra to work it out. Hang on. Let me just tidy this up. Hang on. Okay. So yeah. So the point at which the two lines cross, we can guess it to be roughly about 11, 1.2. But sorry. Yeah, it's 11, 1.2. So we can guess. Remember, it depends on our drawing. It could be inaccurate, but we guess that the point is here. But let's use calculation to actually work it out here. So this, we've got an equation for this line here and an equation for this line here. Now the point at which the two cross, the y value, whatever it is, the y value is around here somewhere. My point is that the y of this at the point at which the two lines cross, the y here would be the same as the y here. Okay, so we can actually say 1/5x -1 is the same as this here, which is 2/3x -6. Okay, so now it's just a matter of solving for x, because the reason why we can do this stage here, I know this stage here seems strange, but at the point at which the two lines cross, the y value of this will be the same as the y value of this. So we can actually say that this thing here is the same as it's the same as this thing here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of solving this thing here now. So let's tidy this up. The x gets multiplied to the top. So let's hang on. So it's just a matter of somehow solving this. You can use whichever method you want. So now let's just try and solve this. Hang on, bear with me. -6. So now well, this block here contains x. This block here contains x. I'm just going to move all the x's on one side and all the single number on the other side. This is a single number here. There are lots of ways of solving this. You can use whichever way you want. So I'm inside inside my mind, I'm going to take away this block from both sides. Okay, so I'm going to have on the left hand side, I'm going to take away this x over 5. I'm going to take away this block from both sides. So well, do whichever way you want. Just find out x. Just find out what x will be. So inside my mind, I'm going to take away this block from both sides. So this will be -1 over here. Hang on, -1 over here, and then equals 2x over 3 minus 6, and then minus x over 5. Because I am taking away this block from both sides. I'm just trying to get all the blocks that contains x on one side and all the other single numbers, or well, get all the single numbers on the other side. So now I'm going to move this 6 across to the other side. So I'm going to so we are here at the moment. We are going to add 6 to both sides. So -1 plus 6. So that would be 5 here, and then we're left with 2x over 3, and then minus. There are easier ways of doing this, but you could, when looking at this here, you could multiply everything by 15 if you wanted to, but you use whichever way you want. Okay, as long as you get to x, that's what we want. We somehow want to get to x. Now, so actually, now we can multiply. Well, actually, I'm going to merge these two fractions together. Okay, so I'm going to times top and bottom here by 5. Over here, I'm going to times top and bottom here by 3, just to get the two denominators to be the same. So here, 2x times 5, that will be 10x over 15, and then here we've got x times 3, so that will be 3x over 15. Okay, now the two denominators are the same. Now that the two denominators are the same, we can merge the two. So it's 10x minus 3x over 15 equals 5 over here. Now simplify this. 10x take away 3x equals 7x over 15, and then this here would be 5. Now times 15 to both sides. So times 15 to both sides, this will be 25, carry the 2, this will be 5, 7, 75, so this is 75, this one here is this, and then divide both sides by 7, okay, hang on, divided by 7, okay, so x here is given by 75 over 7, okay. When you're here, do whatever it takes to solve x. When you are here, do whatever you want to solve x. There are easier ways than what I did there. But yeah. So now that we've got x here, okay, we've got x, so we can just put the x back into this equation here, or this equation here. Choose the easiest one. I would choose this one. This one seems easier out of the two. So hang on. So the original. So this is our answer here. Hang on, let me just do this. Our answer is 75 over 7. Remember that. I'm going to clear everything up. Hang on. So x is 75 over 7. Let me clear this up. So x here equals 75 over 7. Okay, we worked it out. Now you can, well, you've got this line and this line here. We want to know the y value. So we can either put this into here, or we can put it into here to find out the y value. Well, I would choose this one here, because this equation seems easier than this one here. Okay, so let's put this 75 over 7 into here. So it would be, so y equals 1 over 5 times 75 over 7, and then we've got a minus 1. So remember, because you've got a multiply here, multiplications are more important than taking or minusing. So you've got to merge these two together first, and then you take away 1. Well, let's let's just merge the two together. So 1 times 75 will be 75, and then what is it? 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, minus 1. Okay, now you maybe you can divide. Well, you can simplify this fraction here. Divide top and bottom by 5. So 75 divided by 5. So this would be 1. Looking at this one here, this would be 1. Remainder 2. So it's 15. Okay, 75 divided by 5 is 15, and 35 divided by 5 will be 7. Okay, so hang on, and then we've got to take away 1. Okay, so y will be this, y will be this. Now turn the 1 into 7 over 7, so it's 15 over 7, take away 7 over 7. Now that the two denominators are the same, we can merge. So 15 take away 7 is 8. So the y value would be 8 over 7. Okay, so the y value earlier, it was it was something like this. Well, anyway, the x value at the point at which the two lines cross, x equals that, and the y value equals this. In the next video, you can have a go for yourself. Okay.